Today I'm going to explain you about the calorie burn reduction analysis and log the linear regression algorithm. Here, for training purpose, we are using logistic regression and for testing the model, we are using the XGBoost regression model. So, main aim is to predict the rate using the data set fields. So, data set fields can be anything, but it should predict the calorie burn rate. So, now I will go for training code. So, this is what the training code we have. Just run the code. Just run the code. First graph represents the density versus age. First graph represents the density versus age. So density versus age. So second graph represents the density versus height. Third graph represents weight. So this is the correlation plot of each and every fields in the data. So this is body temperature versus duration. Predicted by Y test. So next is density versus age. So like this, we are going to plot the graphs, and these are the mean absolute error and mean square root error and root mean square error. Value will be detected for logistic regression and XG. So now we will go for testing code. Just run your testing module. So this is what the model you have. Just give the ID, age, height, weight, duration, heart rate, body temperature. So just give the 5 calorie. So it will predict the calorie burn rate will be 31.97. So like this you can predict the calorie burn rate using the dataset fields. So this is how we are going to predict the calorie burn rate using XGBoost and linear regression algorithm. Thank you for watching.